My name is Rochi Llaneza, and I'm an artist, but also I run a hardcore contemporary art space in the Wynwood Art District. My work has always been very domestic, and whatever happens in my environment is what influences me. So being around after sending a child to high school and having a newborn, that brought me back to the house. This whole thing came about how to preserve certain memories and how some things are eternal. And so growing up next to the mines in Santiago, which is where I grew up in Santiago in the Dominican Republic, and being surrounded by amber all the time, and how amber, the association of amber as something that preserves, I united both things, and that's how this came about. Well, this series is basically a fusion of two things. I have a 26-year-old right now, and I have an 11-year-old, and I found myself watching cartoons for too many years. And the substitution of these cartoon characters in our kids' lives, I mean, they have become our kids' idols or saints, or they are more important than what saints were to the Latin American culture, for example. SpongeBob, he's huge. I think that the environment definitely influences artists. I don't see how any artist cannot be. It can either be nostalgia or actual influence. An artist sees life in a different way. Miami has become one of the most important places for art. And I think that the local artists have to compete with a lot of international, because we have so many international galleries in the area. It's a very competitive field. Miami it's such a melting pot that Miami's just a different city. It's like Latin America and the United States, because we have so many cultures, and you can be inspired by so many things.